Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's now look at some examples where we're given a trigonometric function of a negative angle and we need to write it in terms of a positive angle. Our first example is sine of minus 45 degrees. To write this as a positive angle, we'll use the identity sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine of theta. That tells us that sine of minus 45 degrees is equal to minus sine of 45 degrees. Our second example is cosine of minus pi over 6. We'll use the identity that cosine of minus theta is cosine of theta. This tells us that cosine of minus pi over 6 is the same as cosine of pi over 6. Our last example is tangent of minus 5 pi over 6. Our odd identity tells us that tangent of minus theta is minus tangent of theta. Tangent of minus 5 pi over 6 is then equal to minus tangent of 5 pi over 6. I think you'll be surprised how much you're going to use even in odd trigonometric identities in the future, especially if you plan on studying calculus.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.